Myself Siri. Today we are going to conduct the PC Expo, which is a part of GSER Abhiyan, and my topic is about memory. So let us go through the definition of memory. Memory is the one thing which is going to store the data for permanent or temporary purpose. So there are two things which is like we can take it for permanent or for temporary purpose. We are going to memory has two types, that is primary memory and the secondary memory. In the primary memory we have several types as RAM and ROM. RAM, which stands for random access memory, and ROM stands for read only memory. In RAM we have several types like SRAM and DRAM. What is SRAM and DRAM? Static random access memory, and DRAM will stands for dynamic random access memory. In SRAM we have another type is called as cache memory. What is cache memory? Cache memory is a high speed memory which will help the user to give the quick data, like the user can access the data quickly. So this cache memory will help the user to, like, it will offer the frequently used data so that user can use it when it is required. And in cache memory we have types like L1, L2 and L3. We can see the cache inside this processor socket in some motherboard, and in some motherboard there won't be inside the processor. It will be in the processor, CPU processor. Okay. This is about the cache memory. And if we come to the DRAM, we have several types like SDRAM, RDRAM we don't have, but SDRAM, RDRAM, and DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, DDR5. Okay, as of now I will explain about this SDRAM. SDRAM, which stands for synchronized dynamic random access memory, which supports for 3.3 voltage, and it is speed of 133 megahertz, and which is having the pins of 168 pins. It will be having 168 pins. In I forgot to tell one thing about the SRAM and DRAM. SRAM will difference between SRAM and DRAM is SRAM will be having transistors to transfer the data and to translate the data. Like we have the human language which cannot understand by the computer, right? So that can be converted to the zeros and ones, which is binary language. And this the DRAM will be having capacitors plus transistors to store the data, where capacitors will help the DRAM to power supply. So these are the things about the DRAM. Thank you.